Earn $5 per YouTube video you watch. Earn money watching YouTube videos. Hello, lovely YouTube family. Welcome back to Money Magnet Forever. In today's video, we are going to talk about earn $5 per YouTube video you watch. Before we start, I would want you to hit that red subscribe button so that you never miss out on any of our videos. If you've ever wondered if it's feasible to make money viewing videos on YouTube or on TV, then this detailed and informative article is for you. It investigates the facts behind this, including if it works, how it works, and the many ways it works, as well as listing as many as 22 sites and programs that really pay you to view YouTube videos. Getting paid to watch videos on YouTube or even on television is a popular way for people to get money online these days. Many people are familiar with YouTube, but if you aren't, it is an online video sharing platform where individuals make a lot of money. It is owned by Google and has quickly become the go-to video sharing tool for both consumers and companies. Many people and businesses use YouTube to promote their products and services. They make channels for their products and services and post videos with information that informs, entertains, or educates viewers. If you are a frequent YouTube viewer, there are legitimate ways for you to earn money simply by viewing videos. It's a lot easier than you would think to make money by viewing videos, and given that you'll almost certainly be spending a lot of your free time online viewing movies, clips, and advertisements anyways, it's a simple method to supplement your income. It is a great method to supplement other income streams such as having a YouTube channel, plus all of your video-related employment experience might help you land a career in the film, television, or digital media industries. There are several alternatives for watching videos for money, and we'll go through the greatest ones below. We highly recommend signing up with Swagbucks to begin earning rewards for watching videos, surfing the web, and doing paid online surveys if you haven't already. Swagbucks will offer you a variety of videos, but you should expect a lot of short pieces including advertising, news material, and viral videos. Although you won't make a lot of money on Swagbucks points, aka SB, by viewing movies on the site, we think it's worth a go because it's so easy. Plus, combining Swagbucks with other recommendations on this list can rapidly add up to a significant amount of money. Inbox Dollars is another email reading website. Reading emails sent to your inbox is the main way to make money from Inbox Dollars, as the name indicates. They do, however, pay you for watching movies on a regular basis through them. They're also one of the oldest in the industry, and individuals who join up and complete the jobs are paid. Completing relevant surveys, playing online games, and conducting internet searches are some of the other ways to make money with Inbox Dollars. Another reliable survey service that rewards for watching movies is MyPoints. With MyPoints, you are compensated for watching specific videos, earning points, and then redeeming those points for gift cards as needed. You may earn up to 500 points every day simply by viewing videos. Yes, you may select to view just entertaining videos rather than dull or unpleasant ones. With MyPoints, you may get paid to buy, play games, and even read emails in addition to watching videos. They've been in business since 1996. That's typically a positive sign of their trustworthiness. Earning Station also compensates users for watching videos. You may earn points for watching movies and other things like purchasing online, doing surveys, and playing games. This website is quite picky about where its users come from, so if you're not from the US, you could be turned down. In reality, if you are not from one of the permitted nations, notably the United States, you may be unable to access their website. To begin, take your phone and turn it on. Step 2, play 30-second video by pressing the play button. Step 3, getting paid to begin right now. There are a lot of people who are generating money right now by just viewing movies in their mobile phones. Don't worry, this is simple for newcomers who have never made money before, and it's completely free. You won't need to invest anything, and it's available all over the world. In this video, I'll teach you how to create a free account and disclose which videos will pay you the most money. I'll also give you some additional suggestions throughout the video that will help you quadruple your profits. So make sure you pay attention and watch this video all the way to the end, but first subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when I upload a new video. Also hit the like button and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Now let's get right into the video. I would like you to go to this website, gptplanet.com. You may get money off of this website by doing basic internet chores such as viewing movies. In this video, I'll show you everything and it's completely free to join. So if you go to the website right now, you can see evidence of payment, and if you go down further, you can see the dates and times. On this website, they are cashing out actual money. All of the payments have been made. These folks are making a lot of money just by watching videos, and they're quite open about it, providing you genuine proof on their website so you can see how much money you can make just by watching movies. I want you to click the Register Now button on the homepage of this website to create a free account. Go to this page and fill out all of the required information, including your complete name, username, and password, which you must confirm, as well as your date of birth, email address, and confirmation of your email address. The payment account area may be found by scrolling down below. You'll deposit it in one of these accounts, so select wisely. The picture verification is now the final stage, so all you have to do now is key in anything you see in this image, read and agree to the terms and conditions, then click the register button. Oh, and if you like this video, please like it and leave a comment below. Let's go down to business, shall we? So once you've logged into your account, you'll be able to search for other companies where you may view movies and earn money online. These are all the firms that allow you to earn a lot of money online by watching movies like these. So let me offer you the first bonus tip right now. I'd like you to concentrate on Scarlet Clicks right now, since they'll give you the most money for viewing a 30-second video. This will send you to this website if you click on this right here. Simply click on one of these little boxes right here to get started. As you can see, whenever you click on these boxes, you'll be sent to a new video. All you have to do is click play and watch the movie for at least 30 seconds, and they'll start crediting your account with money. After you've finished watching the video, simply return to this page and select another box to watch another video. You will be paid again if you watch it for at least 30 seconds. So here's the second bonus tip. If you visit a website like this, you can click on all these boxes at once and view at least 10 movies. This is something you can accomplish on your phone or on a computer. What the video is about doesn't matter. All you have to do is give it at least 30 seconds of your time. Multiple videos can be seen at the same time. As a result, you will make more money than other people doing the same thing. This website is unique in that it allows you to simultaneously see all 3 videos. Simply press the play button and wait 30 seconds. Now what I typically do is mute the video and let it play for 30 seconds, and I'll do the same thing for this video. And I'll simply play the video while muting the volume, since you don't need to see it. Allow it to run in the background while you look for additional videos to watch. You'll be more efficient and productive in making more money this way. As you can see, clicks are reset every day at midnight server time. Thus the boxes reset every midnight, and you'll have new fresh films to view. As a result, you have an endless number of possibilities to generate money over and over. So right now, we're going to figure out how much money you can make by clicking on these boxes and then viewing movies. You can see the entire number of boxes in this one picture, 20 times 28. Therefore, we can figure that there are 560 boxes in this picture, implying that you can watch 560 videos on average. On average, some of the films pay $1, while others pay 20 cents, 30 cents, or 50 cents. We'll multiply that by 60 cents for each video. That will pay you $280 only by viewing movies on one single image, which is great since you can do it again and again. Every day, at least 500 movies of at least 30 seconds are uploaded. Another extra tip I have is that you can increase the speed of a video's playback. All you have to do now is click the gear button right here. Choose the 2 to increase the speed by a factor of 2. Now you can just play the video quicker, which means you can view 30 seconds film in only 15 seconds because the speed has been doubled, allowing you to make twice as much. Another thing is that when you click on the options button and then over the quality, I recommend that you drop down the lowest quality, which is 144 pixels or 144p, because some of you may have a slow internet connection or have a limited amount of data to spend and view the video. So you pick the lowest quality, you'll be able to view films more efficiently, while also earning the most money. And keep in mind that you may watch several videos on your phone or computer. As a result, you'll be able to view more films in less time. After you finish watching other videos and earning enough clicks, you can go on to other firms and watch other videos. Scarlet Clicks, on the other hand, will pay the maximum money simply for watching 30 seconds of the film. So that's precisely how all these individuals from all around the world are currently generating a lot of money online by just clicking on the videos and watching them for 30 seconds. You may see hundreds of videos simply by looking at one photo.
Popular keywords that are popular. You can search for anything that you watch all the time as long as you know that a lot of people are also watching it.
That's how you get paid again and over again. And you can do the same thing for free, simply using your phone and viewing movies. That's all for today. I hope you liked the video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so that you never miss any amazing videos from us.